students, I am Mulunda Singh, computer teacher. Today I will teach you class 9, chapter 9, programming techniques. Students, today I will teach you about stages in program development. Students, when a programmer going to make a program, he will follow the following steps: review the requirement, develop the logic, code the program, test and debug the program, then documentation. In the steps of review the requirements. This is the first step. In this step, the program development cycle, the programmer reviews the requirement. If anything is unclear at the point, the programmer asks for more information from the system analyst who wrote the original requirement, or the system designer, or even a future use of the program. Because if he is unclear the requirements, he cannot make a good program. Next is develop the logic. In this section, the actual processing steps within each program in the system are developed. Two common tools which are used to design the program are flowcharts and pseudocodes. Flowchart is a pictorial representation of solution to a problem where he is writing the steps of programming English language. It is known as pseudocode. Even when the design of a program has been completed, there is no guarantee that the design is correct. Typically, small group of programmers and analysts review the design together. In this way, potential problems that might have gone unnoticed by the person who designed the program are surfaced early in the program development cycle. The goal is to help in producing a high quality software. Now, next step is code the program. In this step, the logic of the program is expressed in a programming language form. It may be any language: C language, C language, C++ language, Visual Basic. It depends on user which language they select. In this section, the selection of language depends in the type of application and on the software development available in. In past, most business applications were coded in COBOL, since COBOL is oriented to business use. On the other hand, scientific applications were usually written in Fortran, formula translation language, because of its mathematical capabilities. Today, many other options are available. New structure language like Pascal and C contain language elements that closely parallel to the structures used in the program. Design. These languages are procedure oriented, and the programmer who uses them codes the specific steps in the problem solving process. Another approach to program development using 4th generation language, means 4GL, has become common for programming. Next step is test and debug the program. In this step, the program that was just coded is checked for tracing errors, bugs, and is tested with simple data to see if the actual result match expected results. There are two main categories of errors that may exist in a program. It may be syntax error or semantic error. Syntax error occurs when the program does not follow the rules of the language. A logic error occurs when semantic error occurs when the program logic is incorrect. For example, in averaging, program will produce the wrong answer if the sum of the numbers to be average is divided by a number other than the total count of numbers. Such errors are not always easy to detect. The programmer may need to go back and review the logic created. The program must also be tested thoroughly with the help of computer using simple data. The programs that make up a system should first be tested individually to make sure that each of them work correctly. This testing is called unit testing. Then the program should be tested together as a system, either entirely or in part. This is called system programming or integration. The most thorough the unit testing is, more likely the integration will proceed successfully. Now next step is documentation. Documentation is an ongoing process that occurs throughout the program development cycle. A technical reference needs to be created for programmers who may need to modify one or more the programs. User guides need to be created to tell users how to use and operate the system. Other documentation may be provided as online for convenient reference by users. So these are the main steps to make a program: review the requirement, develop the logic, code the program, test and debug the program, and documentation.